Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. You must be wondering there is nothing on my table today, but wait, don't worry. I'm coming with this beautiful bangle set which is converted from old and unused bangles to the new one with the beautiful color combination of black and brown, and you can wear it with any attire or any outfit like sari, salwar suit, or even with the western outfits. And this is looking superbly beautiful. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking this plastic bangle base which is ready made, but you can also use your any old kada or bracelet which is not useful anymore. And first of all, I am just adding little fabric glue on the base and wrapping it using dark brown color yarn. This is thin yarn with very high quality thread, and wrapping the bangle completely with the thread. In place of yarn, you can also use embroidery thread or silk thread, whatever you have. And this is completely covered. Add glue on backside of the bangle and cut the excess yarn. I'm going to cut the excess thread from top after drying this completely. So this is done. Now here I have two more extra bangles which are in silk thread, and I'm not using it anymore. You can also use any old metal bangle or glass bangle and just join 4 to 5 bangles together using glue. And to wrap it, this time I am using black embroidery thread. So first we have to join both the bangles together with fabric glue, and then I am going to cover this with black thread. So with the similar method, just completing it till the end, and this is nicely covered. And with the same combination, I have created one more bangle. So all three bangles are ready. Now it's time to decorate these bangles to convert it in beauties. So here I am taking one needle and black color thread and just passing from backside of this brown color bangle. I have created one knot at the end of thread, and then I am adding some small golden color pearls through this. I have added total 9 pearls. So according to the width of your base bangle, you have to take the number of pearls. And now we have to make the zigzag pattern using these pearls. So here I have created one diagonal line, made some knot at the end, and I have also used glue to attach the chain of these beads so that it will not move. And I am using today B7000 glue to stick all my pearls and beads. Now again I am adding 9 pearls. And making the another part of zigzag So here also I have attached with glue, and with the similar method I am going to continue the zigzag pattern, and each time at the end we have to create the knot and pass through the last pearl so that it will look in continuation. And this is done. Similarly, I am going to complete the remaining pattern. So I have reached to the last pattern, making the knot quickly. Cutting the excess thread and securing it nicely with the fabric glue. And the base pattern is ready. Now, between each triangular shape, I am going to stick some stones using B7000 glue again. Here I am using leaf shape and drop shape stones. Then on other side I am sticking diamond shape mirror between each triangle. Like this. And then I am doing some painting work using gold acrylic color with 000 number brush. So first I am creating some lines and making one dot like this, and then on both sides I am making leaf pattern. Like this, so pretty. Similarly, quickly I am going to make the same painting design below each mirror. And then on other side I am making one diamond shape using gold Zardozi thread. Here instead of Zardozi thread you can also use normal gold thread like this. And similarly I'm going to complete the pattern. And now on the empty space I'm going to stick these golden sequences. So whatever material you have, like beads, pearls, threads, or any kind of stones, you can use to decorate your bangle. And our first dark brown bangle is ready. It's looking absolutely stunning. Now going ahead for the black bangle. So here I have decided to create cross patterns using gold thread like this. So first I am making 2 crosses to tighten the thread. And then quickly I am making the diagonal lines around the bangle. And then making the cross for each diagonal line. Securing the end of thread using B7000 glue and cutting the excess thread. Hold it for a few seconds. Then between each cross pattern on the diamond shape, I am sticking gold colored sequences. And the super gorgeous second bangle is also ready. Very easy and very attractive. Then I am proceeding for the third bangle. So here in the middle line I have added glue and then I am sticking these gold sequences around the bangle. Then on both sides of these sequences I am going to wrap gold colored thread using same glue. Similarly, I am attaching the thread below the sequences, and after adding both the sides, the bangle should look like this, and it's looking very pretty, very stunning. So all our 3 bangles are ready and the set is completed. So according to the color of your dresses, you can create the matching bangles and you can wear it at any time. You can wear it separately and you can also add some more layers if you want the bigger bunch. And these are easy to wear and just flaunt your handmade jewelry in front of everyone. You can also make these bangles as a return gift of Sankranti festival. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.